How to create team and add team members in ClickUp. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a team and then add your team members in ClickUp. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management platform that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a team and then how to add the team members. So first you can open your ClickUp dashboard and then go to your profile picture here on the top right corner. Then go ahead to settings and on the left sidebar here you will find themes. You can click it and then as you can see this view only user added to themes will be converted to paid user. So you can just click create a theme here and then you can create you can name the theme, let's say theme Bravo, it's like that in just for example, and then click save. After that, as you can see, you have created a new theme Bravo, and then you can just change, the add members here by click it, and then you can enter the team member. This is only me, because I don't have any members. And then you will find in the team Bravo, you have one member. And then when you create a task or assign something, you can assign a group or team. So the whole members in the team will get notified when you mention them. So yeah. And then also you can edit it or delete it. It's up to you. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.